The first few weeks with a newborn can be overwhelming, especially if you're barely getting any sleep. Here are 4 truths about newborn sleep to remember as you navigate your baby's sleep pattern. 1. Newborn sleep patterns are unpredictable, and you can't put them on a schedule. Newborns spend about 16 to 20 hours a day sleeping, and sleep stretches can last anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours. Babies are often born with their days and nights reversed, so they tend to sleep more during the day than at night. 2. Newborns get fussy and overtired very easily. With time, you can learn your baby's sleep and fussy cues. 3. Newborns wake up frequently during the night, but you shouldn't pick them up as soon as they start stirring. Babies are noisy sleepers. They will grunt, squirm, snort, and cry out briefly while they're sleeping, so don't rush to pick them up because they may be asleep. 4. Lean on support when you can. Consider creating an overnight shift schedule with your partner or other caregivers to help give you a break. Get more sleep tips and advice with our Baby Sleep 101 online course. Tap the link in bio for more info.